Hey guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video, I'm going to show how to dual boot Fedora Linux and macOS Sonoma on Mac. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. This Fedora installation guide is only for Intel Mac. If you want to install Fedora on Apple Silicon Mac, follow the guide from the I button. To install Fedora Linux on an Intel Mac, you'll need a Fedora Media Writer, a USB with a minimum of 4 GB capacity and minimum of 7.15 GB hard drive space for installation. Now, firstly, we'll create Fedora installation media and then install on the device. For creating the Fedora USB, open Fedora Media Writer. After the Media Writer opens, select the image source. If you have the Fedora ISO downloaded, click on Select ISO File. Otherwise, you can continue with the Download Automatically option. From here, select the Fedora release. For now, I'll stick with the official Fedora Workstation Edition. From the right options, select the version you want, and under the hardware architecture, set Intel. And now plug your USB, and after the USB appears, click on Write and proceed with the prompts. After Fedora USB has been successfully created, quit the Media Writer and then open Disk Utility. Now here, select your main drive instead of any partitions and click on Partition. Now create a partition for Fedora. For creating, click on the plus button and then enter the amount of space you want to allocate for Fedora. And then click on Apply and continue with the prompts. After partitioning is done, click on Done and then quit Disk Utility. Now restart your Mac, and while restarting, press and hold the Option or Alt key until you see the Startup Manager. From here, select the EFI boot and press Enter key. Now, from the Grub bootloader, select either of the option and press Enter to boot to Fedora Live. After booting to Fedora Live from the welcome prompt, click on Install Fedora and wait until the installer loads. Now select the language in which you want to continue the installation and then click on Continue. Now here, under the System, click on Installation Destination. Here, select the local standard disk, and then under Storage Configuration, select Automatic. Also check the option, Free up space by removing or shrinking existing partitions, and click Done. After you reach the Reclaim Disk Space window, select the partition created for Fedora. Usually, it'll be the last volume. After selecting the partition, click on the Delete button. After you delete the partition, you'll have the total selected space to reclaim approx the same as the partition created for Fedora. Now click on Reclaim Space. After coming to Installation Summary, click on Begin Installation and wait until the installation is done. After the installation is done, click on Finish Installation and your Mac will restart. During restart, unplug the USB. After you reach the setup screen, click on Start Setup and set up your Fedora accordingly. And as you can see, Fedora Desktop is here. Now let me show you the system settings and configuration. And the Fedora has been installed successfully and working as expected. Now let me show you that the macOS is also working. To boot to macOS, restart Fedora, and while restarting, press and hold the Option or Alt key on your keyboard to launch the Startup Manager. From here, you can select either of the OS and continue booting to it. And as you can see, macOS is also booting. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.